Bradley with Blue Cord. You've been following the channel for a while. That is awesome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're in the middle of a multi-video series that goes through the steps of dropping a bunch of dead ash trees, cleaning up all the debris, grinding the stumps, grading the area, and putting seed in the ground. Now my goal is to try to put out one video each week, but as you can understand, it takes a lot to edit those videos, and I don't always have that kind of time, especially lately with everything that we have going on. This past week has been absolutely amazing. We were able to have Nathaniel home for a couple days for his 4-day pass. He came up from Camp Lejeune. He's in the Marines. Super excited to spend time with him. Then Ethan and Natalie had their first baby, my granddaughter, Gwendolyn. Super excited about that too, guys. As you can imagine, not a lot of time to edit. So what you're going to see today is a few clips of the next steps in this multi-faceted project.
Love you guys, man.
Hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's coming up in future episodes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications bell, and that way when we upload new awesome content, not only will you be the first to know, but you'll help other people be able to find this awesome Ventrac channel. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.